How to charge your electric vehicle on a 50 kilowatt Osprey charging point. To start a charge using contactless or an RFID card, select your payment method on screen and hold your card to the relevant reader. If using the app, find your location, choose connection type and select your charge point. You can find the charge point number on the charge point. Select the right connector for your vehicle from the options on screen. The CHAdeMO cable has a button that needs to be pressed to release from the charge point. Take your connector and plug it into your vehicle's DC charging port. After a few moments, your vehicle will begin charging. If using the app, you'll need to select Start Charging on your phone to initiate the charge. To end your charging session, select Stop on the charger screen and hold your card to the relevant reader. If you're using the Osprey app, simply press Stop Charging on the mobile interface. Unplug the cable from your vehicle and place it back in the charge point. You're now ready to get back on the road. Safe travels from us at Osprey.